Hello po, magluto tayo ng psychic. See, they call psychic. Wala sa atin itong pasta psychic. Sa Philippines wala to. Dito lang sa Canada. Lagay natin dito. Naglagay ako ng tubig and milk. 2 cups of tubig and 2 cups for milk. Ito gagamitin ko sa psychic, and ito is a leftover tira-tira. They call tira-tira. I don't know if it's Bisaya or Tagalog. I don't know. Tira-tira. It's so waste if you throw away the food, so we need to use there. Sayang kung ilabay mo to. This one is a leftover too, so I'm gonna cook this one too. Lulutuin ko to, tira-tira din, lumpia. Pero I press the meat that the meat not going bad. There's only one little bit, so it's so waste if you throw away the extra ones. You just put in the freezer, and then if you have a lot of time, just do it like that, right? Diba? In this one, I have a leftover head of tilapia. See? Head of tilapia. So I don't like head, only one I'm picking the meat. I don't like head, but a lot of Filipino, they chew with this head. They like